how to download and install Google Meet in PC. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Google Meet. And the first thing you're going to do is go to Google Meet. Now the Google Meet in the website has no issues at all, but if you want to have this in your computer, you're simply going to click on the three dots on the top right, and then you're going to click on More Tools. Under More Tools, you would be able to see these different options over here. Now what you're going to click on is Create a Shortcut. You will see this option over here. You could change the name however you like. For example, we're going to shorten it to just Google Meet, and we're simply going to click on Create. And after doing that, you could check out your desktop, and you would be able to see Google Meet appearing on your desktop. And when you click this, you would be redirected to the Google Meet website automatically. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.